Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. We are here with the UNice unit. So you guys so kindly has been sending me red hair. I guess it's the season, the reason for the season. So we're gonna get right on into her right now. Okay? So I am back with a 1B 99J 22-inch unit. She is stunning. Okay, this is a 4x4 lace. Okay, so get into that. So we just have lace right here, which I'm actually kind of excited about right now. So we have 2 combs in the front. Okay, 1 comb in the back, adjustable strap, Wakanda forever. Okay, and look just how stunning she is. This is going to be an easy slay, I feel like. Okay, at least we're going to hope for it. All right, my loves, we are here with a 1B 99J UNice Ombre human hair wig. Okay, so this is a 4x4 lace closure wig, and this is straight human hair, bone straight. Okay, bad to the bone the thugs in harmony. Okay, and I am coming through and I'm just gonna get mother together, lay her on down, just like we can a nice and easy 4x4 lace unit. Now this unit right now, I have her in 24 inches and she's 150% density. And she is going for just under $230. Okay, guys? But don't you worry. Don't you clutch your pearls. Because UNice Hair is always having some kind of sale. Okay? So this unit is relatively big head friendly. Okay, she doesn't shed much and the hair is really silky. So this kind of unit is perfect for bone straight styles, like just perfect. And I had to Wakanda forever my straps in the back so she could fit properly, but that's okay because I have a small head, so she's super duper big head friendly. Now again, this unit is going for just under $230, but they are always running a sale, and guess what we running into? The Labor Day. Okay, so you working, I'm working, we is providing labor to somebody, honey, and we need our coins off. Now, as we move away from these like full frontal units, as much as we love them, the ease of this 4x4 is really what sells this unit. You want something that's just super easy to do and that'll give you a real style. I did this, no lie, in 15 minutes. Came threw mother up on top of our head and got her all the way together. Okay, so let's get into how we feeling about her, and then you guys can tell me what you think. I'm like so hype about this UNice unit. The hair. Like, let's get into the hair. The hair. Feels stunning. This is, again, a big head friendly unit. They're always running a sale. I'm going to make sure I leave a code at the bottom. But they came on through with this one. Like, I love 4x4 units, guys. Why would I need to lay an entire frontal when I could just walk around like this? Explain it. We're going to take our little wax stick. Get our flyaways. Explain to me, why would I have to do that? You don't. You don't. They came through. They provided us with an option, okay? You break from that full frontal lace. Try this out for size. A nice 4x4, okay? I heard Jeeps was in anyway. So, if you have not already, get into this unit, get into this color, honey. Once she has some heat added to her, she looks beautiful. Like, I'm so impressed with how this hair laid. It's not even funny. And the way that it feels is wonderful. It's so silky. It's perfect for a bone straight situation. Okay? So if you have not already, bust down, subscribe to this channel. Come on back, hang out with your girl, and I'll see you beautiful mugs later.